Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Google map in Base44. So this is the project I'm working on, and here in the left hand panel you'll see this prompt section. All you need to do is just type in a natural language prompt. Okay, there is no button here in Base44 or drag and drop feature. You just explain to it what you would like. For example, in this case I'll ask it to display a Google map with a marker at this location. Okay, latitude and longitude. Just give it the coordinates, or you can ask it to do it for a specific address as well. Just type in the address and then just press this button or press enter and just give it a few seconds. And if possible, just explain to it which section of your app or website you would like this to be placed. For example, either at the bottom. Now let's give it a few seconds to go ahead and complete this task. And there you go, it has been done. And as soon as they do it, they will go ahead and automatically refresh your preview. So let's see moment of truth. And there you go. The app is right here, Google Maps, and it is fully functional as you can see. And it does have the marker as we had requested, fully functional. And that is how you add a Google map in Base 44.